Today I want to show you this SAPLIZE golf club replacement kit. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending it to me. We're going to jump in, show you all the details, all the pieces and the parts, and show you how to actually do a replacement install on a club. Today I want to show you everything about this golf club set of replacement grips. So first thing we do is open it up. We've got all of the double stick tape that holds the grip on. We've got what looks like a carpet hook tool, but it's actually a hook tool that you use very similar to this. You reach in right there on your grip and you slide that down and you cut the grip off. We have a clamp. This clamp is used to put the club in, and then like in your bench vise, you put your clamp in to work on it, and you do that before you cut it. So we've got all the pieces you need, and then this is the grip solvent. So we'll go through the process of how all this stuff works, but this is a nice black set of leather replacement grips, and a full set of 13. And you can see they're just a little bit longer than what we've got on there. And then these are touted as real genuine leather simulated wrap. So that's actually really pretty darn cool. So the way it works is you clamp your club into the vise, you get the tool, you cut this off, and I'll show you up here in the upper corner all the steps as we do it. I don't have time to do it right now. Then you take one of these pieces of double stick tape out and you pull the film off and you put it on here, and then you wrap the end and fold it back in, and then you take your new club and you fill it, squirt, 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 with this solvent, with this grip solvent, and you fill it, squirt, 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 and then you just, as quickly as you can, slide the grip on over the top of the grip tape with the solvent on it. And this double stick tape, the solvent will evaporate and the grip will be super tight, and you need to wait basically 24 hours and you'll have a factory custom completely replaced set of grips. But once again, this came as a complete and total kit with the knife and the solvent. I know you can also get these with just the grips and the double-sided tape. If you have multiple sets, you can buy the kit once and then buy just grips again and replace all the clubs in your golf arsenal. So I hope that helps. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending this to me so we can do the unbox and the install and show you everything about it. I'm super excited about it. Golfers, if you need clubs replaced, thanks for watching this video. I hope it gave you the details you need. There's a link in the description below where you can get this kit. It also comes in multiple different colors and shapes and sizes from the same company. This is actually the second set I've got from them, and they work great. So, once again, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Click the link below to get this set.